morning, got a call. Customers mad, caffeine withdrawal. Machine won't brew, it's stuck in place. No coffee, just a sad blank face. Grab my toolkit, hop in the van. Another day, same old plan. Fixing things is what I do, but broken coffee, that's bad news. I twist, I turn, I check the wires, try to spark those coffee fires. Water's there, the beans are ground, but still no coffee's coming down. Steam ain't hissing, buttons flash, owners pacing, losing cash. Gotta fix it, make it flow, or this whole shop's about to blow. Took off the panel, peered inside. Gears and tubes all tangled wide. Check the pump, clean the spout. Still no coffee coming out. Ran the test, watched it choke. Drip tray dry, no scent to roast. Tried to prime it, pressed reset. Owners looking real upset. Clock is ticking, people wait. Lines are forming at the gate. Baristas tapping on the side. Desperation in their eyes. I twist, I turn, I check the wires. Try to spark those coffee fires. Water's there, the beans are ground, but still no coffee's coming down. Steam ain't hissing, buttons flash. Owners pacing, losing cash. Gotta fix it, make it flow, or this whole shop's about to blow. Wait a minute, what's that sound? Motor whirring, but it's drowning down. Check the valve, cleared the clog. A tube was blocked with old bean fog. Grabbed a pin, poked it through. Water trickled, steam just flew. A tiny hiss, a hopeful hum. Then, bam, the coffee starts to run. Owners grinning, barista cheers. Customers clap and chug their beers. Foam is frothy, shots are bold. Now this place can break the cold. I twist, I turn, I check the wires. I bring back those coffee fires. If your morning's running slow, I'm the one who makes it flow. Steam is hissing, cups are filled. Another job, another skill. So if your brewer breaks at dawn, call me up, I'll get it on.